What's up, guys, and welcome to our channel. My name is Serafin and meet my boyfriend
Dennis. Charlie, how are you doing today? Yeah, so Charlie, welcome back to our channel. Went to the beach and wanted to show you some places around the beach, and Charlie, how you can go and enjoy yourself and have a good time. You understand? Charlie, I want to say a big shout out to my senior man, Charlie. Big up, me and AJ. Charlie, the love is too much. You don't know.
And thanks for supporting us as well.
Yeah, Charlie, the love is just so much, Charlie. The positive vibe and everything, Charlie, is just so much, Charlie. So if you haven't subscribed,
please
go and subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Charlie,